Generate the cube root function that is the inverse of the cubic function g of x equals negative 1/2 times the quantity x minus 6 cubed plus 1. The first step is to rewrite our equation using y instead of g of x. The next step is, because it's an inverse function, we need to reverse the dependent and independent variables. So we have x equals negative 1/2 times y minus 6 cubed plus 1. Now to get our new equation, we need to solve for y. So working from the outside in, first going to do reverse order of operations and minus 1 so that it adds to 0. Then we have x minus 1 equals negative 1/2 times y minus 6 cubed. Continuing on here, we have negative 1/2 multiplied in front so that we can get that to move and to cancel on this side, we can multiply by its reciprocal, negative 2. Multiplying by negative 2 on the other side, making sure to put parentheses around x minus 1. We get negative, and then let's go ahead and distribute this out so that it's a little bit more simple. So we get negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2 plus 2. And then on the other side, negative 1/2 times negative 2 multiplies to 1. So that's just 1 times y minus 6 cubed, which just leaves us with y minus 6 cubed. Now we need to get y isolated still, so we can do the reverse operation of cubing something and do the cubed root of it. And that basically undoes the exponent, making sure to do it on the other side as well. So we get just what's underneath y minus 6 because those are undone. The cubed exponent is canceled by the cubed root, and then on the left side we have the cube root of negative 2x plus 2. So now we're almost finished. We just need to add 6 on each side, and then negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So we're left with y equals the cubed root of negative 2x plus 2 plus 6, making sure that the 6 is not underneath the cubed root. And the last thing we need to do is just write it in our inverse notation form. And so instead of y, we are going to put our inverse notation, g inverse of x. So our final answer will be g inverse of x equals the cube root of negative 2x plus 2 plus 6.